Hey, g'day, Glenn Morris from the Smart Energy Lab here, and I'm in Wenzhou, China for the opening of Fox ESS's latest battery factory. So I'm going to take you on a bit of a tour of the factory. Okay, so we've got a new fashion look here. It's the blue with the white, and we've got the special thing for shoes because it's a clean environment where we're going, which is the factory, and so we've got to put on a complete change of clothes. So even the gold chain can hang in there. Here we go. You ready for this? There's going to be a faulty battery next to you.
Oh
And it's picking the components off these strips, tiny little components, and precisely putting them onto the...
Using soldering paste.
No, yes, that's right.
Yeah,
and then
so
it'll
it
go
goes through there and then into...
Well, this is the star of the show. It's not me, it's the CQ7. The CQ7, 7 kilowatt hours of storage, and look at this footprint. That's 52 kilowatt hours, and it's even shorter than me, and I'm not a very big guy. You can get this unit with a double base, so you can get over 100 kilowatt hours in one unit. Pretty impressive. And it's high voltage, therefore high efficiency. Check it.
Hey Glenn, we're here at Fox ESS, the great member company of the Smart Energy Council. You've been to a few factories. How are you finding it?
Well, it's just amazing to see, as we were talking before, that factories in China aren't what we think. They're not sort of dirty old, full of rubbish and disorganized. They look more like a five-star hotel.
Yep.
With robots.
Yeah, exactly. And the thing is that, there's a person every 200 square metres. Their job is either an advanced robot technician or to make sure no one touches the robots. It's a whole different sort of reality to what people think.
Yeah. I remember, ignorantly saying, why don't you use lots of cheap labour? And they said, there isn't cheap labour.
No, there isn't cheap labour, that's right. And why would you want unskilled labour for a highly skilled product?
Yeah. And repeatability, everything's trackable. Yeah, so it's just amazing to see automation at a grand scale at factories like this. Plus, these factories get built so quickly.
Oh, mate, absolutely extraordinary.
Yeah.
But they need to, because the demand is coming from nowhere. Look at the cheap home battery program. Almost 12 gigawatt hours already since the 1st of July last year. That's a template for how the world will transition.
Yeah, and that's probably only a month or two's production from this factory.
Right, that's right, exactly. So put it in perspective, right?
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Well, anyway, thanks. Good to catch up with you.
Yeah, likewise.
Cheers.
See you, John.